My name is Dr. Steve Paragioudakis. I'm an orthopedic spine surgeon, fellowship trained, board certified. I've been in practice for the last 24 years. The Center for the Functional Restoration of the Spine was founded when Dr. Menkowitz joined forces with me. So we needed a joint name to identify what we both try and do. So if you look at the name, the Center for the Functional Restoration of the Spine, it means that's what we really strive to achieve. We want to restore functionality to patients, regardless of how severe or minor their problem may be. We can provide that.
We will get to know our patients very well, and I feel our patients get to know us very well. All new patients spend significant amount of time with the practitioners, 30, 40, sometimes even 50 minutes, for us to really get to know them and for them to really get to know us. We don't want this to be a factory. We don't want people to be churned through the machine and not really get to know us. Our goal is to come up with a good working plan, both us and the patient, and to move on and try to achieve that plan together.
Our practice offers many different procedures for spine-related problems. We offer upwards of 20 or 30 different surgical procedures. This includes our robotic surgery. We are proud that we have most likely performed the most robotic spine procedures in the state of New Jersey. We have adopted technology where we try and incorporate it into most cases if it benefits the patient. But however, there are situations sometimes where we still use our classical procedures in the best interest of what the patient requires.
My staff is amazing. They've been with us for most of them more than a decade. We treat them all like family and they treat us like family. So it's a very happy place to work. And moreover, all our staff knows that we really help people here. So it's not a place where we're just here to clock in and do a job. We're here to help people. And from our front desk to our billing, to our nurse practitioner, to my partner, we all are on the same page with that.
We really have come a long way. Our vision has not changed in over 24 years, will not change. Our mission of providing the best quality orthopedic spinal care that is available in the world takes place at our practice.